Hey guys, this is Vince with Creative Rods. We are at the 2019 NCRS National Corvette Restoration Society National Meet. So we got a 65 Survivor that we have here. Going to be judges this year. It's won a chapter and a regional top flight award so far, so we're going for the national this time. So stay tuned. Hey guys, finally made it into the convention center. Had the operations check this morning. All went well on the 65 Survivor. Got a lot of cars in the show here, NCRS 2019. We'll keep you updated.
Lately, everything's trembling. All my shelters are opening. Feels like everything's crumbling. All the windows are shattering. Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body.
Okay guys, we had the operations check yesterday on the 65 Corvette behind me. Finally got into convention center a few hours later. Today, no judging. It's Tuesday. No judging on this vet today, but tomorrow we'll have a full day of judging on it, and hopefully we'll come out with a national top flight award. We're here at the Greenville Convention Center for the NCRS 2019 Nationals. Stay tuned.
Your horse says it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body. And as a cage, the lines in your head makes its way across your bed. And now your mouth can say all the things.
Okay guys, just an update on the NCRS Judging National Convention. We've got 3 inspections done. We've got exterior, interior, and mechanical done, just waiting on the chassis. And we'll be all done. Everything's looking good so far, but the chassis has been my worst judging part in the past, so hopefully we'll get a good one and get that top flight award. We'll check back with you.
Hold your horses, it's too cold to read. Face expressions that mean nothing. Dip your sadness in this bowl till you feel minor changes in your body.
Hey guys, this is Vince. It's Thursday. We've got all the judging done on the 65 Corvette. It's the last day here at the 2019 NCRS Nationals here in Greenville, South Carolina. We have awards banquet tonight, so hopefully we'll get our top flight award. Stay tuned. Hey guys, it's Vince. If you've been watching us on social media this week, you know we had a 65 Corvette at the NCRS Nationals convention this week here in Greenville, South Carolina. Went through 4 or 5 phases of judging on the originality of how the car came from factory, not against other cars. So this is judging the car based on how original it is from factory. So we're proud to say, based on our awards banquet last night, that we got a national top flight award, which means we scored 94% or better on all the judging combined. So just proud to say Corvette did well.
Hey y'all, I'm Miranda with Creative Rods. Don't forget to like, share with your friends, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.